Hello everyone, welcome back. My channel Car Craze. In today's video, we are going to talk about something very important for every car owner. How to protect your car rims from rust and keep them looking clean, shiny, and brand new for a long time. Many people spend money on washing and maintaining their cars, but they forget about the rims. Over time, rims collect dirt, brake dust, water, mud, and road salt. These things slowly create rust and corrosion, especially on steel rims. Rust not only makes your car look old and dirty, but it can also weaken the metal if ignored for too long. So today, I will show you step by step how to remove rust from your rims and how to protect them properly so they stay in excellent condition. First of all, let's understand why rims get rusty. The biggest reason is moisture. When water stays on the metal surface for a long time, oxidation starts happening. Rainwater, mud, salty roads, and even humidity can slowly damage the rim surface. Brake dust is another major problem because it contains tiny metal particles that stick to the rim and create corrosion over time. That's why regular cleaning and protection are extremely important. Now let's begin the complete process. The first thing you need to do is clean the rims thoroughly. Never apply paint or protection over dirty rims because dust and grease will stop the coating from sticking properly. Use water, car shampoo, and a soft brush to clean every corner of the rim. Make sure you remove mud, brake dust, oil, and all dirt particles. If the dirt is very hard, you can use a wheel cleaner spray. Spray it evenly and leave it for a few minutes before scrubbing. After washing, rinse the rims with clean water and dry them completely using a microfiber cloth. Do not leave any moisture because water can cause more rust later. Now inspect the rims carefully. If you see brown spots, bubbling paint, or rough metal areas, that means rust has already started. To remove rust, use sandpaper or a wire brush. Gently scrub the rusty area until you reach clean metal. You can start with rough sandpaper and finish with smooth sandpaper for a clean surface. Take your time during this step because proper rust removal is very important. If old rust remains under the paint, it can spread again later. For deep rust, you can also use a rust remover chemical or rust converter. These products stop oxidation and help prepare the metal surface for painting. Always wear gloves and safety glasses while working with chemicals. After removing the rust, apply a rust converter on the affected areas. This product changes remaining rust into a protective surface and prevents future corrosion. Use a brush or spray bottle to apply it evenly. Follow the instructions written on the product label and allow it to dry completely. This step is extremely useful because it adds extra protection and increases the life of the rims. Now it's time for primer. Primer creates a strong bond between the metal and the paint. It also helps protect the rim from moisture and rust. Choose a good quality metal primer or automotive primer spray. Hold the spray can at a proper distance and apply thin, even coats. Do not apply too much primer at once because it can drip and create an uneven finish. Leave the primer to dry completely before moving to the next step. Once the primer is dry, you can start painting. Use high-quality wheel paint or metal paint designed for automotive use. These paints are stronger and more resistant to heat, dirt, and water. Spray light coats evenly around the rim. Usually, 2 or 3 coats give the best results. Allow each coat to dry before applying the next one. Choose any color you like: silver, black, matte black, gunmetal, or even custom colors. Freshly painted rims can completely change the appearance of a car and make it look modern and stylish. This is one of the most important steps. A clear coat acts like a protective shield over the paint. It protects against water, sunlight, dirt, scratches, and brake dust. Spray 2 thin layers of clear coat evenly over the rims. This layer gives the rims a glossy finish and helps them stay shiny for a long time. After applying the clear coat, leave the rims to dry properly. Avoid driving immediately because fresh paint needs time to harden completely. Now your rims look clean and protected, but maintenance is still important. Wash the rims regularly to remove brake dust and dirt. Never leave mud or salty water on the rims for too long. You can also apply wheel wax or ceramic coating for extra protection. These coatings make cleaning easier and reduce the chances of rust. Avoid using harsh chemicals or rough brushes because they can damage the paint and protective layer. Here are some extra tips to keep your rims rust-free for years. Always dry the rims after washing the car. Avoid parking in wet or muddy areas for long periods. Repair scratches quickly because exposed metal rusts faster. Use high-quality paint and primer products. Inspect your rims regularly for early signs of rust. So friends, that was the complete process of protecting your car rims from rust. With proper cleaning, sanding, primer, paint, and clear coat, you can keep your rims looking fresh and shiny for a very long time. Remember, taking care of small rust spots early can save you from expensive repairs or replacing the rims later. I hope this guide helps you maintain your car better and keep it looking beautiful. If you enjoyed this video and learned something useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car care and maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.